bowl for a lid. So this bowl, you create a top right here where you can fit a lid in. So start with any other bowls you make. Have it centered, have your elbows anchored on your knees, find your spot, move them up and down, move your chair so you're all centered, and then create your thumbs in the middle like that. Okay. So then bring it down and try to keep that top a little bit thicker, because we'll use that to create a little U-shaped ledge. I'll show you how we do that. So after, I'm going to make it a little wider. Go. So after you create your bowl, pack that bottom so it won't crack. When it starts wobbling, bring it back. Okay, what you will do is, I'm going to cut it a little bit. Keep quite a bit of clay up top. Have one hand, thumb and finger on each side of your ledge. Your other hand, your finger will go in the middle, and that curve of your finger will press on top of that ledge, top of your bowl, and will dig kind of in that clay between those two other fingers. You kind of might have to move it around a little bit. So go right here, go. And then what you create is a little ledge where you will fit that lid on. So your lid will be here and the edges will fit right in that little, like a little dent, okay? So that's the first part. Second part is we are creating a lid, so you need to know what the measurements are. Make sure you have a caliper. Have the caliper ends right in the middle because that's where we want our lid to end. And the next stage will be our lid.